Did you ever need to go to the doctor and you call to schedule an appointment and you get a response saying that the next available spot to schedule is weeks from the date you need? Well, I've created an app that helps fix that problem. This is Mediblob, which is a platform as a portal between the doctor and the patient, AI enhanced. So this is the landing page. If we scroll down, we can find more information about it. We can look at pages and how it works. And let's click login and log in as a doctor. Once we're logged in, we're being taken to the dashboard. We're here. This is a doctor dashboard, which looks way different from client dashboard, which I will show you later. Here we have few sections. We have patient section, which shows the patient with their personal code and the calls. The patient code is used to create new events or just connect or disconnect the patient. And here we have all the calls that are scheduled with clients that the doctor has. On the right hand side, we have events, which can be online or in person, and it shows who they are. We can click choose event, and we select if it's online or in person. We can add Zoom link if it's online, and so on and so on. Here we also, and as you can see, there can be many events. That's why there is a calendar page. And here you can just see all the events you have in a calendar view or agenda view, which is actually pretty great for not being as cluttered on the dashboard. You can go to a patient's page and see each individual patient. Again, you can see their information. You can delete a patient, which just removes connection from it, as well as you can add a patient using the code that the user has in their profile. Let's click on a patient and see what we can see about the patient. On the right, we have AI summary, which just gives you a quick summary from the patient and all the information they have about it, as well as we can see symptoms the patient has, the medications they take, and the next events you have with that person. And as you can see, there's a quick AI summary on the right. And this is a patient view. Again, here I'm logged in as Sophia Kim, the patient, and it shows me when the next appointment will be, as well as it shows the symptoms, as well as I can add or remove symptoms. Let's remove this one, and it is removed, and we can add it again. As well as here lower, we have the medication section, which is assigned by the doctors. And on the right, we have a Mediblob chat, which is an AI again. But this AI is for the patient to help them out if they have any questions while waiting for the next visit. So we can say something like, hey, please give me a quick summary about me. And again, lower we have events and the information about the doctor we have. And here our AI has responded about medications we take, also which symptoms we have, and when our next visit is. And the clients as well as the doctor have the calendar view of all the events they have. All this is synced up real life, so if we were to remove few of the symptoms, and here we reload the page of the doctor, you can see that those symptoms are now gone, as well as you can assign medications to that specific patient through this form, and it will appear here. Or again, as a doctor, you can remove medications while the patient cannot do that. So this is overall overview of this project called Mediblob. I hope you like it, and I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.